Hey guys, in this video we will be looking at how to make PDF from images using smartphone. So for that you need to install an app called PDF Converter. You can get it from Play Store. So firstly you have to open the app. Now this is how the app look like. Then we can see here have section called offline converter. In this offline converter we can see here that the JPG to PDF option is available here. If we click on this, and now we can see source files as is shown as no file chosen. When we click on these files, now the option appears. Now we can choose the files that we have to upload and make a PDF from. Now I am selecting 3-4 files here, and I am clicking here on done. Then we have the option of page size to fit the image is the default view actually. Then we have page orientation to be landscape or portrait. Here it is of portrait mode. Then if we need, we can also add up a password protection. Now in this case I am not adding any password. Now in order to create convert to PDF, we have to click this button, convert to PDF. Now it will finish up, and now it is formed as a PDF file. So that's how you create a PDF from JPG images on smartphone. Thank you for watching.